we'll just go with your journey, Bhagsetu. So you have been a Raksha Mantri awardee, and you have also got so many awards. You've been into NCC. You have also, done so much in the animal welfare area. What was the inspiration for you? What exactly happened at the tender age of 15 years? There are many kids in your society who must have seen that dog, crying for its baby. What has happened? Was it so important to you to bring that, that those puppies back to the dog? And what happened at that point in time when this whole thing just started?
Thank you for the question. Like, this is the beginning of the journey where people started knowing that I exist, a part of my family. So the animals in the area, my father, it comes to me from my father. It is hereditary. My family has been an animal lover family, to be specific, not a breed lover, but an animal lover family. My father has always fostered stray dogs, and we've always had stray dogs in the house. So वो नहीं था एक caution कि no, those are desi dogs, those are Indians, don't play with them, they are not tidy, they are not nice. I wasn't told it ever. Like, I was always allowed to play with them. I was allowed to bring them home, feed them, and take care of them. So that's when you start having such kind of attachment towards an animal, definitely they also feel the same towards you. And that was the same thing that happened back 10 years back. And again, like I have discussed this on a lot of platforms already. अभी भी काफ़ी cases ऐसे चल रहे हैं. Within this week, we are getting a lot of messages on social media. People have cruelly beaten up dogs, and things are happening around. My father has been very vocal about people who tend to, or maybe who has an intention to hurt an animal. Like, he has been very vocal that क्यों मार रहे हो उनको. So if anybody in my society wants to do, or maybe they have intention to harm any animal, वो बहुत सोच समझ के करते हैं. वो डरते हैं पहले करने से, क्योंकि पहले इनसे झगड़ा करना पड़ेगा अगर हमने कुत्ते को मार दिया एक बार. So it's not about fighting always, but at least people around us should know that हमने अगर इसको मार दिया तो ऐसा नहीं कि लोग अंदर चले जाएंगे. People will be inside.
There'll be somebody who will be raising their voice.
Someone will be coming out and asking us कि क्यों मारा, इतना तो आपको क्या प्रॉब्लम हो गया कि आपने इस बेजुबान को मारा है. Again, this word बेजुबान is not related to animals. That's what I feel. They can speak, they have voice, but we cannot perceive the message. So it takes a lot of time to understand the message which they are saying. So again, the same thing वहाँ पे that family, particular family, exactly my neighbor, front door neighbors, and they threw 3 puppies away from the litter because they were loitering around, like there were potty poops around. Unfortunately, those puppies used to go there in front of their gate only and do this. हम लोग उठाते थे. Me, my father used to go and clean it up, but उनके लिए वो एक होता है ना कि frustration कहीं और का कहीं और निकल जाता है. We also understand that not every human has a pure intention to hurt an animal. It is impromptu. It comes कि आज गुस्सा आ गया, घर पे झगड़ा हुआ, बीच में कुत्ते दिख गया, मैं उसको मार दूंगा. So this is the first time I'm sharing this perspective of this side story कि उस टाइम पे बहुत गुस्सा आया था जब हमने पुलिस बुलाया था and everything happened कि ये कैसे इंसान है. But with time, अभी आज की डेट में आफ्टर 10 years I understand कि गलती है उनकी, लेकिन it is not कि उन्होंने जानबूझ के वो किया. It was not a wrong intention, but the act done was wrong, which actually troubled a lot of animals around. So that's how it happened. And उस दिन then I felt कि let me do some bit from my end. Like, when we join an organization, when we take birth, we have always been taught in our Indian society that if you join this organization, what are you going to get? What is your salary going to be? Or anything as such. कि आपको क्या मिलने वाला है. जब जॉब मिलती है तो पहला क्वेश्चन आता है कितना सैलरी है. नो वन आस्क्स अस कि आप ये ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में आप यहाँ जाके क्या कंट्रीब्यूट करने वाले हो. सो फॉर मी इट वाज अ क्वेश्चन टू माई सेल्फ कि ठीक है, व्हाट कैन आई गिव टू दिस अर्थ और मे बी टू एनिमल्स, टू बी प्रिसाइज. मैं जानवरों के लिए क्या कर सकती हूँ. लेट मी डू समथिंग. So I started that way, and today I'm here talking to you because of those animals, that incident, and I'm meeting a lot of new people.
But Situ, trust me, when I saw you the first time, when I happened to know about you, the fact, as I said, that apart from the fact that you've done so much for the animal welfare, and apart from that, you also have saved a life. Besides, the thing that really struck me as a person, to be honest, was your simplicity and your groundedness. Was that after doing all of that, you still do not feel entitled, and that is a very difficult trait, honestly speaking. We are human beings, and we are sometimes, when we don't have an intention, we end up being into a cloud after maybe just getting a lot of appreciation from so many people, that maybe I must have done something great, why these people are kind of appreciating me. So it is not very easy to keep yourself grounded and still so humble, besides having all these achievements that you've had so far. So kudos to you for that. I'm honestly really, really amazed to see, and this is an example. This is what is giving me inspiration, that you just do your job and do not expect anything in return, and just have a happy life. Why do you have to worry
have a
about
little fun here? It's like अगर वो cloud में गए ना, तो और responsibility बढ़ जाएगी कि यहाँ पे करना पड़ेगा, यहाँ सच normal रहो, कोई pressure ही नहीं है, जिंदगी जियो आराम से.